Hey, how's it going, guys? Garcia here with another portfolio update. So, in this video, I'll break down the portfolio. We'll go over what's going on Twitter, some new contracts for Palantir, and we'll give the shoutouts at the end of the video. So, today at market close, we were down to 89,000 something, but right after hours, it shot up to $90,753.13. So, let's go to the different portfolios. So this one that is made up of the options is not reflecting the after hours move, because options, they won't show up until once market open tomorrow at 8:30. So today Palantir was down slightly, so we were down 1.89% or $66. So the $30 calls were down 1.5%, and the $40 calls 2.6%. In the Roth IRA, we were down 1.3% or $180. So let's go to total percent change. So the covered calls are doing nicely. We are up 30% on the ENVX 1350 call. We are up 33% on the $10 call for TSLA. The $30 call in Palantir, we're down 30%. Now, this is a new play that I'm adding to the portfolio. I actually sold some of these calls here at a loss, a slight loss. I sold 3 out of the 4 contracts that I had. And what I did instead is I bought a 2026 call option on yen. So this is a 3x China Bull ETF. So this will take advantage of any big moves on Alibaba or any JD, Temu, whatever major Chinese companies are out there. I'm hoping to catch a wave, one of these types of waves that kind of makes a big move. And I'm thinking of selling this. Who knows how big this wave can get. But I think we are now catching the beginning of one of the big waves that is going to be coming up. Just a few days ago, this was at $33. So right now that it's been retracing back down to 25, I think it was a good opportunity to get in. So we'll see how this performs over time. Over the past 3 months, it's up 30%. But on a 3x ETF and a call option on top of that, I think this is a great time to kind of, start an overall position on this. So let's see how that goes over time. The Unity call, we are down 15% on that overall. Palantir, today's return $59, TSLA -60, ENVX 61, and BITX is what I just bought today with the cash that I had left over on the brokerage cash. So I'm going to be using this almost as a cash position, but if I ever have to close some call options or anything, I might sell some shares of Palantir here and there, or some shares of BITX to come up with the funds. So yeah, these are the moves on this portfolio on this one. And let's go to the main portfolio. So the main portfolio was down 0.8% or $591. But you'll notice that after hours, we're up almost 2% or $1,400. And we'll go over why in a little bit. So let's take a look at overall total percent. The TSLA 750 put, we're down 7% overall, which is no big deal. And the Palantir cash secured put. Now these should be doing a little bit better tomorrow. Now that Palantir is climbing up higher, we should gain some extrinsic value on these puts, because Palantir closed at, what was it, at 2095. Yeah, they closed at 2095. minus 24, that's $3.05. And the option was worth $3.13. So we had 8 cents of extrinsic value at the end of the day. So it's not the best, but I think tomorrow, with if the stock holds, we'll be gaining some extrinsic value. Get a couple more days and wait to see if we have to roll, or if we could just hold it. If Palantir starts pumping above $24, that would be the dream. All right, so let's take a look at what's going on. Let's go to the profile. All right. So when I exit a trade at break even, USA wins 1-1. Greatest tie against the British since Bunker Hill. Look how happy they are. Kramer on Palantir. It's very tough to understand what they really do for the government. So therefore, I am no longer going to say that that's a stock to own. We're so bad, guys. So that was a good thing to wake up to, Look how excited we all are. Palantir shareholders everywhere. And the day after, Jim Cramer says that, here, GoCarp, Palantir's Palantir, give him a follow. He shares that Eaton deepens the partnership with Palantir to enhance AI use in operations. So Eaton and Palantir have been partners in the past, but it's awesome to see that these partnerships, they're deepening over time. So I quoted this with another day, another partnership deepens. So, and then in the same day, this is the reason why Palantir is pumping after hours. Palantir wins a $480 million contract for the Maven Smart System prototype from the Army. The contract runs through 2029, so Palantir will be getting $96 million a year from this deal. It's insane. And here's the official announcement. Palantir was awarded $480 million. It's insane. Firm fixed price. It's incredible. It's incredible. Just to be winning contracts of this magnitude from the U.S. Army. And there's other branches in the military that Palantir will be making contracts with, building partnerships, like the Navy, Air Force, Space Force, the Marine Corps. It's just exciting to see. And even other countries. So, same day, another contract. Alright. So, let's give the shoutouts at the end of the video. Thank you to everyone for supporting the channel, liking the video, subscribing, liking the video and everything. I appreciate your guys' support, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.